Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Tech Podcasts, Dev Technosys. I'm your host, Yash, and today we're taking a closer look at how artificial intelligence is helping the world grow, quite literally. Our topic today is AI in agriculture, smart farming solutions, and crop monitoring. It's an area where technology, data, and sustainability intersect in a fascinating way. From predicting crop yields to automating irrigation systems, AI is making farming more efficient, more productive, and more precise. To help us dig into this fertile topic, we're joined by Oliver, a British agrotech consultant and AI expert who has been helping agriculture-based startups and governments integrate smart technologies into traditional farming methods. Welcome, Oliver.
Cheers, Yash. It's great to be here. Agriculture is one of the oldest industries in the world, and seeing it transform through AI is nothing short of revolutionary.
Absolutely. Let's start with the big picture. What does AI in agriculture really mean?
In simple terms, it means applying machine learning, computer vision, robotics, and data analytics to farming processes. Traditionally, farming has been based on experience and intuition. But AI introduces precision. It turns farming into a data-driven industry. It allows us to monitor soil conditions, predict disease outbreaks, automate machinery, and even forecast weather impacts with incredible accuracy. The goal is to maximize yield, reduce resource waste, and make farming more resilient, especially as we face climate change and a growing global population.
That sounds like a game changer. What are the most common AI-powered solutions farmers are using today?
We can break it down into a few key categories. Precision agriculture. AI analyzes satellite imagery and drone data to give farmers detailed insights into crop health, soil moisture, and pest activity. This lets them treat only the affected areas, saving water, fertilizer, and pesticides. Predictive analytics. AI models use historical data and real-time input to predict yields, detect plant diseases early, and forecast weather risks like frost or droughts. Autonomous equipment. Think tractors and harvesters that use AI to navigate fields, plant seeds, or even spray crops, all without human intervention. Smart irrigation. AI controls water usage by analyzing soil sensors, weather forecasts, and crop types to deliver just the right amount of water. Livestock monitoring. For animal farming, AI-powered cameras and sensors track movement, eating behavior, and health signs in cattle or poultry.
That's incredibly advanced. It's like running a high-tech operation in the middle of a field.
That's exactly right. In fact, many farmers now think of their farms as data centers. Every tractor, drone, sensor, and sprinkler is feeding data into AI systems that turn it into actionable insights. And the beauty is, these systems can be scaled for small farms and massive operations alike.
Let's talk about crop monitoring, a major concern in agriculture. How is AI helping farmers monitor crops more effectively?
Crop monitoring is one of the strongest use cases for AI. Traditionally, farmers would walk the fields to check crop health, but that's time-consuming and inaccurate for large farms. Now they can deploy drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and NDVI sensors, which measure plant health. These drones fly over fields, capturing visual and multispectral images. AI algorithms process these images and detect issues like nutrient deficiencies, water stress, pest infestations, fungal or bacterial infections, and it can do this before the human eye would notice anything wrong. This early detection means farmers can take quick action, saving entire fields and avoiding financial losses.
Is this something that's only available to large-scale operations, or are smaller farmers adopting it too?
It used to be cost prohibitive, but not anymore. Thanks to affordable drones, mobile apps, and cloud-based AI services, even small and medium-sized farmers can access these tools. Startups and development agencies are also working to bring AI-powered crop monitoring to rural areas in India, Africa, and Southeast Asia. In some cases, all the farmer needs is a smartphone to upload images or access drone data from a service provider.
That's encouraging. What about sustainability? Does AI help make farming more environmentally friendly?
Absolutely, and that's a critical point. AI-powered farming reduces overuse of water, fertilizers, and pesticides. When you know exactly which part of the field needs attention, you avoid spraying the whole area blindly. Smart irrigation, for example, can reduce water usage by up to 50%. Similarly, targeted pesticide use cuts down chemical exposure to the environment and the consumer. Plus, AI can also help in carbon farming by tracking how much carbon the soil is capturing and guiding regenerative agriculture practices.
That's impressive. How about AI-powered mobile apps? Are there any that are helping farmers directly?
Yes, plenty. Mobile apps are bridging the gap between AI and end users. Some popular examples include Plantix. Farmers upload photos of sick crops. AI diagnoses the problem and suggests treatments. AgriApp offers crop advisory, weather updates, and AI-driven soil health insights. RML AgTech provides market price alerts, weather forecasts, and crop advice, personalized for each farmer. John Deere's Operations Center. For farmers using their machinery, this platform uses AI to optimize planting, spraying, and harvesting schedules. These apps simplify AI outputs into simple dashboards or alerts, so farmers don't need a data science degree to benefit from it.
That's a great point. The human interface matters. Speaking of challenges, what are some barriers to AI adoption in agriculture?
There are a few key ones. Connectivity. Many rural areas lack stable internet, which makes cloud-based AI tools hard to access. Digital literacy. Farmers may not be familiar with apps or tech-based farming, especially older generations. Initial cost. Even though prices are coming down, there's still an upfront investment for drones, sensors, or software. Data quality. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If the local data is missing or inconsistent, predictions may be off. That said, governments, NGOs, and private companies are working together to address these barriers, especially through subsidies and training.
Looking ahead, where do you see AI in agriculture heading over the next 5-10 years?
We'll see deeper integration of edge computing, where AI works directly on devices in the field, reducing the need for internet. Digital twins of entire farms will become common, virtual replicas powered by real-time data, helping farmers simulate outcomes before acting. We'll also see greater use of robotic harvesters, especially for labor-intensive crops like strawberries and tomatoes. And as AI gets more advanced, it will become a decision-making partner, not just offering data, but recommending full action plans based on cost, sustainability, and weather risk.
That's an incredible future to imagine. Smart, sustainable, and more resilient food systems. However, this has been such an insightful conversation. Any final words for our listeners?
Just this, agriculture is the backbone of our world. And with AI, we have a chance to make it smarter, fairer, and more productive. If you're in tech or farming, now is the perfect time to collaborate.
Beautifully said. And for those of you listening, if you're building a smart agriculture solution or need custom AI integration, don't forget to connect with Dev Technosys. Their expertise in AI app development can bring your agri-tech idea to life. That's it for this episode of Tech Podcasts, Dev Technosys. I'm Yash, signing off. Stay curious, stay innovative.